Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu, and right here you need to scroll down. And we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so tap at this line, but you need to sign in into your account, because without it, as you can see, we cannot check for updates, just ask to sign in, so click at this line. Right here you need to write your email and your password, and also right here at the bottom click that you read. You can also create new account, it's up to you. After you wrote it, click sign in, and now you can tap at the update firmware. And if you have the same information, it means that you have the latest version, and if you have some update you can enter in this line. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!